Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po yung lingkod, si JomarX. And today will be an upgrade guide for the ARP9 version 3 clear version, the one that has a metal gearbox. This one is one of my favorites because it looks cool and it's an ARP9. This will be a basic upgrade. It will only be an air seal nozzle because this is already 220 to 30 fps. So if we add this, it will go up to 240 or higher, and it will be very accurate because it already have a hop-up. Okay, so let's do a quick disassembly guide for this one also. We already have a disassembly guide for the ARP9, so we'll just open it and install it. Okay, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so here's the inside. As you can see, there is lots of water damage. A lot. And that's causing the piston cylinder head to become dirty. Okay. This is from cleaning this. Water damage. It's really dirty. Dirty. Let's see. It's a little bit tight. So better FPS. Nice. Because there are some models that are too tight for this one. Thicker. And this one is better. So no modifications needed for this one. So a little bit cleaning, removing of dust and stuff, cleaning this one, installing this. Actually, this was 170 fps. I don't know, it's because of the damage to the piston body, which is still okay. Just needs cleaning. Okay, without further ado, let's get more into it. Okay, so natapos ko na po ang upgrade to this unit. It's now looks the same but different. See, move this one. You can see the air seal nozzle there. Still stock spring, and with the upgrades, it's now fine. Accurate. 201, 280, only a difference of plus 5, something around that one. So the accuracy is much better. As I usually say, FPS doesn't matter much as long as we have a good air seal nozzle and a good hop up and lots of ammo. Can do accurate things. Full auto. 10-meter mark. Accurate. Huh? So, that's more or less it. If you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below. And I'll answer it as soon as possible. As muli, paalam! Ching!